Don't take your eyes off the screen. Prepare your popcorn or a cup of tea, because the exciting journey is about to begin. What it's like inside a modern woodworking shop. Watch the master woodcutter at work and many other interesting things. All in today's video. Collins Lakeview Sawmill, situated in the heart of Lakeview, Oregon, is a premier facility renowned for its advanced wood processing techniques and commitment to sustainability. As one of the largest sawmills in the area, it plays a crucial role in transforming raw timber into high-quality lumber, while maintaining responsible forestry practices. The mill's process begins with the careful sourcing of logs from sustainably managed forests. Once the logs arrive at the mill, they undergo an initial debarking process, where the outer bark is removed, preparing the wood for cutting. Using state-of-the-art saws and computerized scanning technology, the logs are then precisely cut into various sizes of lumber. This high-tech equipment ensures that every log is processed with maximum efficiency, reducing waste and making full use of the available wood. The mill is equipped with advanced systems to track and measure each piece of lumber, optimizing the yield and quality of the final product. After the logs are cut, the lumber goes through a kiln drying process. This stage is critical, as it reduces the moisture content of the wood to ideal levels, improving its strength, durability, and stability for construction and manufacturing applications. The drying process is carefully monitored to ensure that the wood maintains its integrity and does not warp or crack. Once the lumber has been dried, it moves on to the planing stage, where the rough surfaces are smoothed and the wood is shaped into its final dimensions. Each piece is then meticulously graded to ensure it meets the stringent quality standards required by the industry. Only the best pieces are selected for high-end construction projects, while other grades are utilized for various purposes, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Collins Lakeview. Sawmill's dedication to sustainability is evident throughout its operations. The mill strives to minimize its environmental footprint by using every part of the log, including byproducts like bark, chips, and sawdust, which are often repurposed for energy production or other industrial uses. This closed-loop system helps reduce waste and contributes to a more sustainable timber industry. In addition to its cutting-edge processing techniques, Collins Lakeview is deeply invested in responsible forest management, partnering with local forestry initiatives to ensure that the forests it sources from are managed in a way that promotes long-term ecological health. Through its commitment to innovation, quality, and environmental stewardship, Collins Lakeview Sawmill has become a leader in the timber processing industry, producing high-quality lumber that meets the demands of modern construction while supporting a sustainable future. In the town of Gokurakuji, Japan, in preparation for the Danjiri Matsuri festival, a skilled woodmaster is hired to saw giant blocks of wood. This is an important material for making traditional Japanese floats. These festivals are known for their dynamic and energetic nature, where teams of people pull large, elaborately decorated wooden floats through the streets at high speeds. The master uses his specialized saw to easily saw the huge logs, making viewers feel satisfied and not want to take their eyes off the screen. Veneer production is a highly efficient process that involves creating thin sheets of wood from solid logs, which are then bonded to core materials like plywood, MDF, medium-density fiberboard, or particle board. This method allows for the use of expensive and rare woods in a more economical way, as a small amount of high-quality wood can cover a larger surface area. The process begins with the careful selection of high-quality logs, typically from hardwood species like oak, walnut, and maple. These logs are softened through soaking or steaming before being sliced into thin sheets. There are three main methods for cutting veneer: rotary cutting, slicing, and sawing. Each method produces veneer with different grain patterns and characteristics, making the choice of cutting method important depending on the intended use. After cutting, the veneer sheets are dried in kilns to reduce moisture content, ensuring they don't warp or shrink. They are then trimmed and graded based on their quality, grain pattern, and color. Higher grade veneers are used for decorative applications such as furniture and cabinetry, while lower grades may be used for industrial purposes. The veneer sheets are bonded to core materials using adhesives and pressure, creating a finished product that combines the beauty of natural wood with the durability and cost-effectiveness of engineered materials. Veneer products are often sanded, stained, and coated to enhance their appearance. This process allows for the production of furniture, flooring, and other wood products that look like solid wood but are much more affordable and sustainable, making veneer an essential material in modern woodworking.